Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see the different color image models other than RGB. The first two lines of our every program is same CLC, clear all. Now I am going to read my RGB image. I am read of cyan.jpg. I have read my image. Now, other than gray, what all are the functions available? Let me take three variables as I am going to explain with three models X, Y, Z. For converting to grayscale, what's the function we have used? RGB to gray of A. This function actually gives you the gray image because from RGB to gray we have converted. So instead of converting to gray, as I am saying our color images are RGB, it means that some other models are also existing before RGB also, and we are also using them in nowadays also. Other than this RGB, what are the models we are going to see? One is that NTSC, one of the popular image. And coming to next, RGB to YCBCR. These all are the color codings which you will understand once OpenCV session will be conducted. For all here, directly you can pass the original image because we are converting from RGB onwards, not from grayscale. And one more model is to convert to HSV image. This is the most popular which we also use in OpenCV of Python. Yeah. Here HSV stands for hue saturation value. And now we know that subplotting we will do figure subplot of other 336 and one original image. Total 7 images. Uh, Let me take 2 into 3 and in this output I am not going to print the RGB image. So okay, let me print that one also. Let me take 3 3. Nothing will happen. 3 3 1 I have taken. And here you know the title and I am show function we are going to use in general. I am show of a title as original image. Copy these 3 lines at position 2. Let me keep here variable x and that is ntsc image. ntsc image. Next at position 3 other variable is y and the type of color image is YCBCR. YCBCR. Next, last one we have done is for Z, and that is HSV, hue saturation value image. And now, I have told that other three also we are going to use. The thing is, those three are not directly types of color images, but those are the parts of the RGB image. It means for RGB there will be three values. As I mentioned, R means for red, G for green, and B for blue. Now, how to get those values individually? Now, R equals to A. From our color image, we need to take first two parameters you leave and completely. In position of RGB, the position of R is 1. So, mention it as 1. And now, subplotting we are going to do for it. 3, 3, 5, position 5. And I am going to display only R. And that is only red portion of our image. Red portion, red portion of image. Let me copy now all these 4 lines. Now for green color, we are going to do the same step. Green is second position. Now I am going to take at position 6. G. Yeah, here if you use the same variables are also there will be not an issue. But to avoid confusion, I am always changing the variables because here you have initialized something. And after this will process because it is a sequential language. And again coming to here, it will be reinitialized and the old one will be cleared. So if you keep the same variable name also, it will not give any error. But to avoid the confusion, I am doing like that. Green, green portion of image, and finally comes with blue portion. In RGB, its position is 3, position 7 for image, variable B, blue portion of image. Now let me save it and say colors, save, execute, clearing of console. Yeah, you can see here, this is the NTSC image, YCBCR image, HSV image, red portion, green portion, and blue portion. Here you can't understand lot of difference because in my image there are not accurate colors because something like cream color. So you will see somewhat similarity among the images. And one more thing is that I have told that HSV is one of the most popular because you can see that military people use some of the binoculars in that they can see up to a far distances also even though inside a closed room without window also they can also watch something like a moving person with some glasses and all. This technology is used in order to scan more deeper. That's the application. And in the next lecture, we are going to learn about the different color image histogram operations. And before that, also we are going to see the threshold and image segmentation part. But this is how the different type of color models. Each model is dedicated to one of the real-time applications. HSV and NTSC are famous. This YCBCR does not have much applications because nowadays no one are preferring that one. So with this, the color image model session is concluded. Thank you.